Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This comes with a blue exterior. See the xDrive badge in there. And a nice tan beige interior here. Sunroof. Power open and closing trunk. And rear seats here. Rear climate control. Driver door controls, driver seat controls with memory seats. This vehicle has 70,705 miles. Do have a push button ignition. There's our BMW shifter, command center console, climate control, navigation, and backup camera. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.